Alright guys, so as you can see, I put on the first part, and now we're going to start adding the rest of the letters to complete the saying. I decided to take the biggest part and kind of tape it together so it doesn't all come apart, and that way it was easier to center and make it straight on my wall. And I also used a leveler to balance it out. Alright guys, so as you can see, I started putting more letters. It's coming out so cute. Can't wait to show you the final product. Alright guys, so as you can see, I finally got it on. I'm going to be adding some odds and ends around it, so stay tuned. So I decided to take the J from here and hook it to here, because to me it just seemed kind of unbalanced, so I think this looks a lot better. So guys, as you can see, it's partially done. For the most part, it's kind of done. But I do want to add some more like decor stuff around it. So once I start doing that, I will show you a part 2. If you're wondering what's up there is our projector. Because we do have a big giant screen projector as our TV for our living room, so we could watch movies. We're huge movie watchers and everything like that. So that's about it. Stay tuned for part 2.